Tadasana. Gaze at one point and place the right foot on the left inner thigh as high as possible. Now inhale, stretch your hands up, join the palms. Now pull the tummy in and keep stretching your spine and hands upward. Keep breathing and hold the pose for a few breaths. As you exhale, bring your hands down and relax the leg. Repeat on the other side. Do not place your foot on the knee. You can place it above the knee or below the knee. Now make sure your knee is pointing to the side and hands are stretched up. If balancing is difficult in this pose, follow these steps. Step 1. Press your foot firmly on the mat. Step 2. Place the palm in Namaskar Mudra at the chest center. Step 3. Try performing this pose against the wall.
Now, let us look at some of the benefits of Vrikshasana. It is the best pose to improve focus. It stretches the entire body from the fingers to the toes. It strengthens the shoulders, back and entire legs. It develops esteem and self-confidence. It improves the stability of mind and body.